Scratch window. Let us learn about the components of the Scratch window. Delete, grow, menu bar, duplicate, shrink, green flag, stop button, sprite, stage, blocks palette, scripts area. Sprite. It is an object that we see on the Scratch stage. The cat is the default sprite. Stage. It is the main working area to draw or perform action. It shows the output of the program. Blocks palette. This contains various predefined blocks that are used to create scripts in Scratch. Scripts area. This is the area where we pick and drop the blocks from the blocks palette to create a script/program. Duplicate. It is found on the top of the screen. It duplicates what one needs it to duplicate. Delete. It is used to delete sprites, sounds, blocks, and scripts. Grow. It is used to make the sprite bigger in size. Shrink. It is used to make the sprite smaller. Green flag. It is used to run a Scratch program. Stop button. It is used to stop the project running at the time. Menu bar. It is used to provide drop-down menus that provide common commands for opening and saving a file, etc.
Full screen mode. It is used to fill the whole screen. To exit presentation mode or full screen mode, just press the escape key.